The new US tariffs have hit power tools. I keep an eye on tool prices for the YouTube channel and because I'm a tool addict. I noticed that drill and impact driver kits are way up. So let me quickly run you through the price changes, how they try to hide them, and my recommendation for drill and impact driver kits that I have tested, including common budget brands like Ryobi, Metabo, HyperTough from Walmart, and SeeSii, an Amazon brand. For price increases, Metabo, HyperTough, and Gen 1 Ryobi kits are fairly straightforward price increases. The Gen 2 Ryobi tools and SeeSii are a little sneaky in how they raise the prices. The original Ryobi brushless kit was $149, now $199, up 33%. Mine are made in Vietnam. Next, Walmart's latest brushless HyperTough tools, which perform quite well. No frills and cheaper build quality, but performance per dollar is very good, plus a 3-year warranty. These HyperTough tools from Walmart used to be $44 each, now up to $54 and $56 each, up 27%. The kit was $85 and now up to $106, which saves very little over the individual prices. I recently tested out a Metabo kit, which was $129, and I was lucky enough to purchase them on sale for $109 during a recent Amazon sale. After performance testing them and during video editing, I noticed the price went all the way up to $169, a 31% increase from the standard price and 55% increase from the sale price. These are made in China. SeeSii is a little sneakier. It has always been listed at $139. When the tool came out and around the time I tested it, coupons of $15 or more were very common. Recently, coupons have been fewer and far between. I'll drop links below in the description. Feel free to check out prices for yourself. They do move around, and I hope these new prices are temporary. Ryobi also has new Gen 2 models, which they only sell separately so far. Just another way to raise prices. Both Gen 2 tools with a 4 amp hour battery would be $288, almost double what you used to be able to get the old models for. The impact is $129 tool only, and the drill is $159 with a 4 amp hour battery. They also want you to buy the Edge battery at $99 or more for the performance. I tested out the Gen 2 impact driver, and with that high price, I got an impact driver leaking grease and with loose bolts. So are these price increases just inflation or tariffs? Well, the price increase seems very much like tariff percentages that I've seen for countries like China and Taiwan. Also, based on timing, I hope companies would import and store as much inventory as possible at the lower rate, but warehouses only have so much space and storage isn't free. While I don't want to get political, tariffs will get passed to the consumer when they are implemented in a time frame that doesn't allow for companies to shift or adjust manufacturing strategies. It basically just results in a tax. Should you go out and buy those tools that you haven't seen a price increase yet? Well, maybe. If you know you need it now or in the near future, that's probably a good idea, but I don't really want to push people to purchase tools out of fear of a price increase. Now, if you want to buy something anyway and tell your significant other my video told you to before prices get higher, I approve of that message. In all honesty, this tariff situation seems to be changing daily, and no one knows where it's really going except for maybe some of the people in charge. As for which drill driver kit is best after the price increases, I still really like the Metabo kit. It's very good quality and ranked highest in my prior test video, even with the higher prices from the tariffs. For a cheaper option, the SeeSii ranks well, but just to watch out that the impact driver is for Japanese-style JIS bits or requires an adapter. The HyperTough are honestly great tools for the money, and you can easily buy what you want. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope this information is helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing for future videos and tool tests. Please check out some of my prior tool test videos as well.